These 5 isometric holds can rebuild your body after 50. 5 holds, 10 minutes, and 3 times a week. That's all it takes. And the 5th hold is the Shaolin secret for strong legs. Almost everyone skips it. Number 1, the plank. This is the foundation of a strong spine. As you age, your core gets weaker. Not because of age itself, because it is not challenged enough. The plank strengthens the deep muscles around your spine. These muscles keep your body stable and aligned. A strong core helps you move freely for years. Here is how to do it. Place your forearms on the floor. Rest on your toes. Tighten your stomach. Keep your body in one straight line. Do not let your hips drop. Do not raise them too high. Keep breathing normally. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and do 3 sets. This is how you build a strong, pain-free back. Number 2, the wall sit. Stiff knees are not caused by age alone. They become stiff when the muscles around them get weak. The wall sit is a simple reset for your legs. It increases blood flow to the thighs. It also strengthens the knee tendon safely. And it does this without the pressure of regular squats. Here is how to do it. Stand with your back against a wall. Step your feet forward. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Press through your heels. Keep your chest up. Breathe slowly. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and do 3 sets. This helps protect your knees and makes stairs easier. Number 3, the hollow body hold. This hold helps restore good posture. The plank protects the front of your body. This exercise supports it from below. It gently flattens the lower back. It also helps align the pelvis. Your core learns to stay tight and stable. Here is how to do it. Lie on your back. Press your lower back into the floor. There should be no gap. Lift your legs a few inches. Raise your shoulders slightly. If your back feels strained, bend your knees. Bring them closer to your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and do 3 sets. This helps you stand taller and move better. Number 4, the isometric wall push. Shoulders and wrists often become weaker with age. Regular push-ups may feel uncomfortable, but you still need upper body strength. The wall push is a safer option. It activates the chest, shoulders, and triceps, and it places almost no stress on the joints. Here is how to do it. Stand close to a wall. Place your hands at chest height. Lean forward slightly. Keep your feet firmly on the floor. Push the wall as hard as you can. Keep your stomach tight. Keep breathing. Push hard for 10 seconds and repeat 6 times. This builds upper body strength without using weights. Number 5, the horse stance. This is the Shaolin secret for strong legs, and most people never do it. This ancient hold builds balance and stability. It strengthens the hips, thighs, and inner legs. It helps you stay steady as you age. Here is how to do it. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips as if sitting on a horse. Keep your chest up. Keep your back straight. You will feel a strong burn. Stay with it. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and do 3 sets. This is one of the best holds for total body stability. Now this is your complete workout plan. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Wall sit, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Hollow body hold, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Wall push, 6 sets of 10 seconds. Horse stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Do this routine 3 times each week. That is enough to rebuild strength after 50. The horse stance is one of the best exercises for lifelong leg strength. If you want stronger legs and better balance, watch the next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.